Hi lovelies, it's me, Simply Sherry, helping you make home and entertaining simple. If you're new to my channel and you like organizing and decluttering videos, please consider subscribing. I love doing those things on my channel. And today I am going to refresh, reorganize, declutter under the sink in the guest bathroom. I decluttered and reorganized under the guest bathroom sink. I think about a year ago. It was right after I had the new vanity put in because we had a little flood in our house and insurance took care of it. So I was going through it a couple weeks ago and noticed that it looks a little bit untidy. So let's tidy it up, declutter some things. And I saw some things in there that we're really not using, so I'm probably gonna get rid of those. And this is what it looks like. If you want to see my other video of how I organized and refreshed the medicine cabinet, I'll put it in the iCards above. And I think it's the Home Depot brand. I forgot the name of it. I think it's like Home Decorators. And I just switched out the knobs. They came with a chrome one. About a year ago, we got a new cabinet and vanity, both from Home Depot. So you can see it's relatively organized. So I'm just gonna take everything out, wipe it down, and then reorganize it, take anything out here that we're not absolutely using or need for guests. And then this is the other side. Yeah, so I do that sometimes. Like I got these, so I gotta put a nice place for that. And then this drawer has some cleaning rags, some more supplies there. And these are like, they look like books, you know, they're like little boxes. And I used these a lot before. You can put, like here I have hair bands, the other one I have the hand sanitizers. You can put remote controls if you put it in the family room. Liquid hand soap there and some more soap. I guess I will change that. You know, I get some slack from calling it feminine care, so maybe I'll just put, what should I name it? Leave me a comment below. Okay, then here are some bath supplies, which aren't completely all bath supplies. I have lots of sunscreen, and that's been an issue because I would buy sunscreen and I'd have them in different areas. Alright, so this is where I keep the hair dryer. I don't know what else is in there. Oh, this Epsom salt. That should not be there. I need to fix that. My cleaning caddy stays relatively organized. I need a new one of those, so I just gotta fix this up, probably wash it. Keep this extra off. I might let go of this. Okay, this goes with the other bars of soap. I'm keeping that. Shower gel. Okay, so this is going to go up to my room. I'm keeping all the sunscreen here. Okay, this will also go to my room. I use that. And here's another sunscreen. And then let me just wipe out the inside of this drawer. So I'm gonna bring this up to my room. We'll use that one up. All right, this will go to my room also. We'll use that up. And we are pretty good at using up products. Those things are all going up to my room to be used. And this one will be put in its proper place. I will put here the liquid soap because that is part of the bath supplies here. I'm gonna organize it pretty much the same as I did before. That will go on top there. I like this material and I'm just gonna keep it like that instead of putting a shelf liner. There were 2 other containers in this drawer and I opened them just now. This is my dog's, she's a Dachshund Molly. I'm gonna put this with her stuff. And then here are some more sunscreen again. So I think I'm gonna put all the sunscreen in here. These are gonna go with my first aid kit that's upstairs. I'll keep this with bath supplies. And so I'm going to get all these sunscreens and try to fit them all in here. If they do fit. Okay, they don't all fit, so I'll just put one there. That's bath supplies. In this container, I put all the extra sunscreens in here, so now I know how much sunscreen I have. I don't have to buy more. And then those 3 full bags of Epsom salt and the one that was opened are in here. I know that I can fill that up. And that will go there. And then the cleaning rags are here. So that's what the drawer looks like. Then this bag has the original knobs for the cabinet. I'm gonna go ahead and donate these because it's been a year and I'm not switching out the knobs. For the cleaning caddy, I went ahead and just tidied it up like that. I think it might be better here since the cleaning rags are here in the drawer. I'll have the towels here. So these towels are from Target. And then the hair dryer basket will be over here to the right. So I just tied up the cord there. That's hairspray. These are all the things that came out of the cabinet there. So the rags I'll just be washing, that's donate. This will go to Molly's stuff. All those will go to my bathroom to be used up. This will go to the cleaning supplies in the laundry room. And this will also go to the laundry room. And then I still have coupons. Those are still good till the end of the year. This is what the guest bathroom sink looks like. I'd like it to be as tidy as possible. And then when you go to open this, it's all nice and tidy and refreshed and organized now. Everything has a purpose and I know where my extra supplies are. And there's nice breathable space there. And then for the guests, they know that the hair dryer is here in this basket and extra towels will be in here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below and let me know what you absolutely have to have under the sink in your guest bathroom. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, I looked out my front window because I thought somebody was peeking in. That's scary. That's scary.